is teachers, because their plan is that all 22 languages have to be available as a choice to every student. Your lordships can then imagine, because we have all been to school, we didn't have 22 language teachers in our schools. We had 3 or 4, maybe an occasional other language. 22 creates a complete impossibility of manpower for all schools in this country run by CBSE. That's the other huge problem. It's completely impractical. Exactly. We don't understand it either.
Native Indian language may be understood as indigenous Indian language.
Perhaps, but as part of pedagogy,
Native Indian
Yes.
is a word which is loaded with a colonial.
absolutely, that is our problem. If your lordship were to clarify that English is to be treated as a native Indian
English and French till today is told that in ninth you take a third language, be proficient so that you can speak, write, debate and essay. In ninth, when you take up the language as if you are in standard 1 and you will give an exam at the end, my lord, of April.
Use script.
Is the exam still retained?
Sorry?
board exams, but internal.
No, 1 minute. An internal exam which is important, my lord, unless you get a pass in the internal, you can't appear. It's all, my lord, that way. How can anybody, my lord, in ninth be told you start learning, say, Tamil, or you start learning something? It is not possible, my lord. And you say you had a choice of 20 languages. Which school in Delhi can give you a teacher, my lord, who can do, my lord, to 20 languages? I mean, no, there's no infrastructure, there are no books, there are no teachers. And how does a ninth student, my lord, is 14 years old? He is looking at 11th and 12th. That's the burden he has to face. You tell him now, you start a third one, it is imperative. Can't work. my lord.
The issue is this: they are implementing the circulars, which, according to us, are without authority of law. Because under the Act, Right to Education Act, the respondent number 2 has no authority. It's only the respondent number 3. Secondly, your lordships have held in a 5-judge matter that we have a choice to decide what language. I'm not on that, my lord, but they're imposing languages without giving alternatives. If I want to learn Punjabi, how will I learn it? There are no books available.
No teachers.
No teachers, no books. Only teachers and books are available for Sanskrit and Hindi. I am learning Hindi anyway. But if I want to learn Punjabi instead of Sanskrit, I'll tell you, lordship, it's a very important issue. Whichever side. But the question is, as a child, I must have an opportunity to learn a language which will give me employment at the end of the day. So there are important issues that arise, my lord, either way. I'm not saying.
We had examined on the previous date of hearing. One of the concern was that if it is given effect immediately,
Yes, that's
then
right.
where are the arrangements made?
Yes.
Now we are
But
told,
there's some dilution.
Not, it's
Some people are happy with it, but I want to press.
just 1 minute, Shah.
Yes,
There are
42.
2 different patches here. Mr.
One is
Cooper
six-
and I.
one is
we are-
6 and
we are
8.
appearing, just 1 minute. We are appearing the fresh matters which are dealing with class 6 and class 5 who are affected. Mr. Divan's matters, which are the after notice matters, were dealing
and
with the
10.
senior classes where there has been a dilution after your lordship's order.
Dilution is up to class 7.
Yes, up
So
to class
six-
9.
It is up to class 7. So,
Nine.
your prayer may be, please extend it
Correct.
till the year each student gets the option to choose.
Yes.
Correct. So just
People who are already in
give me
sixth
half
have
a
already
minute.
taken-
There are 3 fundamental issues. The first is the most practical one right now, which is that even in the replies that have been filed by NCERT and CBSE in Mr. Divan's matter, the state has said by 1st July, they've sent letters to all the schools. By 1st July, please ensure that all the books which we have already created will be available and will be utilized by all of you. We have checked even today, is in
No
middle of
books are-
July. Books are available in 3 out of the 22 languages. None of the other books are available. That is the practical problem why immediately there's no question of going ahead with this. The second is teachers, because their plan is that all 22 languages have to be available as a choice to every student. Your lordships can then imagine, because we have all been to school, we didn't have 22 language teachers in our schools. We had 3 or 4, maybe an occasional other language. 22 creates a complete impossibility of manpower for all schools in this country run by CBSE. That's the other huge problem. It's completely impractical. So it's entirely arbitrary. The third, and this is, I think, a critical issue which goes commonly to all the cases. is that they say that non-native languages are different from native languages. They've taken a 300-year-old language which is spoken in India, which is the official language of 5 states, English, and treated English as a non-native language. As a result of which, today you're telling all your students, learn Punjabi, learn Hindi, learn Sanskrit,
Not English.
not English.
We don't understand this word native Indian
Exactly.
language.
Exactly. We don't understand it either.
Native Indian language may be understood as indigenous Indian language.
Perhaps,
Official
perhaps,
language.
perhaps, but as part of pedagogy,
Native Indian
Yes.
is a word which is loaded with a colonial.
absolutely, that is our problem. If your lordship were to clarify that English is to be treated as a native Indian language, everything is takes care of it.
Cannot be treated
An Indian language.
spirit of the notification.
Yes,
It is actually carrying forward the constitutional goal
yes.
of development of Hindi and other languages.
Mother tongues
of
is the word that
India.
is used
No, there are, if you see the language
in the
articles,
constitution. Yes,
one word used is Indian language, another is mother tongue,
yes,
the other is regional language.
yes.
There is
Yes.
no expression as native.
No, no,
Indian
there isn't.
language.
There isn't. That's
So
the problem.
What the authorities intended to do is,
Yes.
under the constitution itself,
Yes,
it's an inspirational goal
absolutely.
that Indian languages will take over the official lingua franca of the country.
Correct.
In doing that,
Yes,
maybe the encouragement is being made that you bring in
yes,
an Indian language.
correct.
The nomenclature may require some relook as to how do you use the word native Indian language. It may be something else,
Correct.
but the spirit is very clear.
Correct. So the problem now is,
My lord, there's no difficulty.
Think with the spirit,
yes,
can India consider English
Hmm.
as an indigenous Indian language?
it's an Indian language as far as many of us are concerned, my lords. It's the official language of the courts. It's a language by which the constitution mandates interpretation of all statutes in this country.
Parsi at one point of time was the official language of the courts.
Yes,
Is
at one time.
Parsi a part of the 8 scheduled languages?
No, it's not. Neither is English. Neither is English.
Urdu was born in India.
Correct. Yes. Correct.
So,
So the choice is
There's a
left to the
detail.
states. Yeah. Schedule 8 is only for states to decide what their official languages will be out of that. Otherwise, it can remain as English. Constitution permits that. We are on a practice. Many of our children,
Yes,
So why-
I'm all set to argue my.
yes, your point.
We are also
Got
set to
written
argue.
submission, then we'd like to place it for class 9 because there are certain, despite the dilution, there's a problem.
Despite this the clarificatory circular of 29th June 26.
That's right.
Your matter still survived.
Yes. we
Yes, yes.
Survive. We
You
want to
completely survives. Completely survives.
four
The dilution is very, very little, Milord. It does not solve our problem.
28 and
Very, very simply put, Milord.
28, 29 issues.
Student of class 9.
Four petitions.
Milord, a student of class 9. One second, please. Milord, a student of class 9 who is studying, say, English and French till today is told that in 9th you take a third language, be proficient so that you can speak, write, debate, and essay. In 9th, when you take up the language as if you are in standard 1, and you will give an exam at the end, Milord, of April.
You script.
Is the exam still retained?
Sorry?
Board exams, but internal.
No, 1 minute. An internal exam which is important, Milord, unless you get a pass in the internal, you
can't
are
go
not you can't appear. It's all, Milord, that way. How can anybody, Milord, in 9th be told you start learning, say, Tamil, or you start learning something? It is not possible, Milord. And you say you had a choice of 20 languages. Which school in Delhi can give you a teacher, Milord, who can do, Milord, to 20 languages? I mean, no, there's no infrastructure, there are no books, there are no teachers. And how does a 9th student, Milord, is 14 years old? He is looking at 11th and 12th. That's the burden he has to face. You tell him now, you start a third one, it is imperative. Can't work, Milord.
And it impacts on the
And the whole
It impacts
the
this,
horizon was for 2030. The whole idea was to introduce this by 2030. Instead of that, they've advanced it to this year.
And you must start at an age when you can learn.
Let's see what is possible.
examination for
Who was appealing for CBSE?
What is that? Which one?
And they might be waiting for 42.
Replies have been filed by CBSE and CRT. They've all.
But they are not
Yeah.
there.
Seat.
I'm sorry, my lords, I appear, but I appear in 42, my lords.
42.
Well, then
42 is also being taken.
Did you
Lordships,
notice this issue?
if your lordships may take it at 42, I will come physically and assist your lordships, my lords. We'll find it.
42.1, 3 and that will take some time. So we are fixing a date for arguments and 28 and 29 also, then you take notice, please. Yeah.
Please, my lords.
You tell your assisting counsel to appear in these two matters also.
Please, my lords.
Meanwhile, you can file your reply to these two matters.
But in the
Lordships.
interim, my lords, let them not implement this in the interim, because the
That's-
problem is teachers get dismissed who are teaching these subjects right now.
If anybody will be dismissed, we will state that dismissal.
No, but the students, my lords, we are students. There are two batches
All are
from
students.
grade one. From grade one, when they imbibe languages the best, till grade 5, they've already learned 3 languages. Now you're asking them to drop 2 languages and take one without textbooks, without teachers. I'm saying just let's,
They have issued a circular of 29th June.
yes, which is under challenge.
That these are mere guidelines.
No. They have mandated the guidelines now, which is 10th July.
If any
10th
course action is taken, you please point out. We will
No, it's already there, my lords. 10th July. That's what is under challenge.
8, my lord, in
Tenth-
my petition.
I'm sorry.
It's mandatory. They have to start.
I don't know if 10th July was shown to your lordship. 10th July now. Just give copies. 10th July is the problem. This is the latest one.
10th July is not on record.
It's in the NCERT, my lord's reply, counter and serial number 42.
10th July.
It's in the CBSE affidavit.
I don't have that affidavit. Yeah, I know.
Go back. It's
They
at
have
page
the affidavit.
32. Page 32 of the CBSE affidavit.
Yes.
This the CBSE is filed with theirs. This is
Their
10th
counter.
July. The directions are class by class, your lordships will see. As far as we are concerned, it's at the 3rd page. Students who are in class 6 at the bottom, D. Out of 3 languages, 2 would be Bharatiya Bhashas for this batch and onwards. When this batch and subsequent class 6 batches progress to class 10, they shall take the board examination of R3, this new language, which is a substitution language. The dedicated R3 textbooks for class 6 in 22 scheduled Bharatiya Bhashas are being made available on so and so. We have gone to this NCRT website 20 minutes ago, and there are only 3 books, not 22, 3. This is what they have sent to all heads of CBSE affiliated schools as late as 10th July, claiming that these textbooks are available, telling these children to now drop both English and that foreign language that they have and take these 2 Bharatiya Bhashas.
No, but there is no such mandatory that you will not be admitted to school.
No, not about admission. No. When they're in school, they're going from 5th to 6th. They're being told that now the languages that you've learned for 5 years are gone. These 2 new languages you have to be taught.
Nothing has gone.
That's the
language-
problem. That
the
is
learning of language never goes waste.
no, that's not the point, my lords. Your lordships have seen infrastructure-wise, as per their own affidavits which they filed, they have said unequivocally that by 1st July the textbooks will be ready. Admittedly, it's not ready. It's not ready. It's not their statement that it's ready. Secondly, they've said teachers have to be ready for 22 languages. So all children have to have this available to them. This is a damaging status quo.
Press matters, how soon will you file your reply?
My lords, we'll file a reply, my lords, within 2 weeks. We have already filed a reply to our
1
9.
week because they
File
implemented.
within 10
My lords,
days, and 10 days we are listing exactly.
Lordships,
after 2
please.
weeks to file it.
we'll file it, my lords.
Wednesday, would your lordship like to put it on a Wednesday, Thursday?
Yes.
Fairness.
Lordship may issue notice in the other matter.
We should notice accepted also. Notice accepted, reply within 10 days,
Very
and
much.
then post the matter.
Can it be listed immediately after that, my lords? Any date?
Wednesday, coming Wednesday,
Coming Wednesday. Very well.
right?
10 days.
Wednesday week, no? Wednesday.
Wednesday week. Very well.
22nd.
Well, he'll take it up. We mention it. We're all here. Those are small things.
Reply.
Very well.
Very well.
Much
Very well.
obliged.
Very well.
Grateful, my
Thank
lords.
you very much.
Take mic and in this very matter,
Yes, my lords. I am representing former Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament, Madam Fauzia Khan, who has also been the Minister for State in Maharashtra. So she is also handling a lot of minority schools, and she heads a organization in this pretext as well. So, my lords, I have
So with this side or this side first of all?
this side, obviously. So because I didn't have space, that I have come over
No
here.
space given to you.
Not the mic, the space.
Obliged, my lords.
Yes,
You
my
can,
lords.
you
So-
can assist us on that day.
Yes, my lords, and there's an intervention petition that's been filed in our regard. I just request
Really?
one more prayer which I would want to, add on to what has been placed, my lords.
Nothing in piecemeal, nothing in piecemeal. That's composite argument on the date.
Because this has really hit hard on the mental health of the students, particularly in the downtrodden space. So we would want that also to be taken care, because mental health, the only solution that we can ask is from the Ministry of Education. So may not be stress from the Ministry of Education for the children. Yes.
Obliged,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, please.